Alright, what is good about your people times 2, and today we are back doing the drift vlogs. This is the first event I was able to make it out to this season. We're at No Good Drift at Salem Motorsports Park in Indiana. It's gonna be a crazy day. This is one of my favorite track layouts. I haven't been to this specific track because there are two here in this motorsports park, but this specific track, it's been like 4 years since I've been here. It's the first drift event I ever attended, and it's sick. It's my favorite layout. This group of guys is fucking nuts. Like, they go balls to the wall. Like, it's gonna be a crazy fucking day, and they are insane. So I'm excited. It's gonna be a good day. I can't wait, man. I know a lot of people here. I've got a lot of friends here, a lot of other media friends, so it's gonna be a great day, and I can't wait to go ahead and get into the action. So let's go ahead and see what we can get into. Dude, free golf ball, what? Hell yeah.
Oh
required, you know, the Mickey D's, the go-to, you know how it is. I gotta say, unironically, one of my favorite parts about these events is just chilling in my car, eating, you know, taking a break and just going over like footage and like seeing, like messing with editing styles, stuff like that. I don't know, it's just like a nice like chill. You've got cars revving to God knows how high in the background, people throwing it, tires screeching, and I'm just chilling in here, you know, enjoying my food, editing some videos. It's unironically one of my favorite parts. What I also forgot to mention earlier was, again, this is my first No Good Drift event, but they are very, very grassroots, and they're also very, very beginner friendly. They even have like a rental car here for I think $150 for an hour, just to see if you like even like it or like want to try to get into it or see how you can do if you've got some time in the sim. So I mean, yeah, they're very beginner friendly, and it's a good crowd. They also go fucking crazy, as I'm sure you guys have seen. But yeah, so we're enjoying it. I'm gonna take a quick break and we'll get back out there.
So we're gonna go out there and see if I can make it do what it do.
You've never driven it.
And you know I'm rusty. I'm super rusty. So
I believe in you.
First time driving this chassis on track. Let's make it do what it do.
And Zeke, we trust. What do you think about that? What do you think he's gonna do?
Fucking nuts.
We'll get a post-game interview. Don't worry. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I can tell. How are we enjoying ourselves? It looked like I had a ton of fucking wheel hop, dude.
So it did. It
looked
crazy.
like it was so hard to grip. It was just bouncing.
The moment you press the throttle, it's like, oh, I'm like, oh shit.
Yeah, no, I could tell. It was just like instant, just
and
too much torque.
It didn't help that it had no tire on there to begin with.
Yeah, I know.
I had to go at 360 though.
Yeah, hey, I still see it. Good save, Frank, good save. That thing is dialed in.
It worked.
It is looking good.
Hey, not bad for an eyeball alignment either.
I especially like the E36 wheels going on it.
Yeah, not bad for the first time driving the thing.
Dude, it looks good out there. Make me proud, Frank.
We just started dancing and I think I fell in love. We won't get this moment back, so please lift up my cup. Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you really wanna see the sun? I see you vibing with me, so what's up? We just started dancing for we just started dancing and I think I fell in love. please lift up my cup. Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun?
All right, who was it? Which one hit the wall? Dude, good fucking save.
You got it because it was right in front of you.
It was just barely out of frame because it scared the shit out of me. But that was badass. Oh, I was split. Damn. That'd be alright.
Hell yeah.
It's been a while since I've been in one of your cars.
It has been. It has been. Welcome back. This is slightly different than the last one.
A little more American.
A little more American.
Oh my god. Dude, that thing is fucking planted.
Oh,
It feels like you're so gripped up too.
it does.
Dude,
And I haven't even given it grip yet.
it feels so good. Oh my god, dude.
We'll go out again.
Good shit.
Brakes got hot on that one.
Dude, that tandem was nasty though. You're such a good fucking driver, my god.
Woo.
Those
I got
corrections
off
were
going
like
way too fast.
those corrections were so perfect though. Oh my god. All right. Just got home from No Good's March Madness event and I had a fucking blast, man. I've never experienced that kind of drifting before. That was like the most grassroots I've been to ever, I think. And it was wild. People were going crazy, running walls. Like, it was sick. It was fun. It was a good time. Very sketchy, but it was a good time. I loved it. I love sketchy shit, man. Huge shout out to Zeke and Nightmare Media. I will link him in the description. Bro, he made these media passes for everybody because he runs the media for their events. And, dude, they came out awesome, and I appreciate him for that. He spent extra time and effort on these. He didn't have to. Tried to tip him, but he wouldn't fucking let me. Fuck that guy. No, I love Zeke, man. He's a great guy. He's a great dude. Their whole team's really cool. They're just some super chill guys. They know how to party, man. They know how to get down. So I appreciate them, and I can't wait to go to the next one. But yeah, man, it's been a great day. The drift season has officially kicked off. I'm gonna have fun with it. I'm gonna try from like some new editing styles with every video. I feel like not just get the same stuff, you know, kind of like, because I normally just do B-roll, and then, you know, I'll walk around, look at the cars, and I'll film a couple cars, do a couple edits, get some ride-alongs, you know. But I want to like make almost like a movie out of them nowadays. Like, this one probably won't turn out like that because I didn't go in with that plan. But I think in the future I want to change up the editing style, make the videos more enjoyable. But I did have fun. I'm gonna go get my rest now. Probably play some games, drink another energy drink to keep me going, and then probably pass out. But love you guys. Been your boy Bar Time. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Love you guys. Right.